Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store run faster. A quick store keeps customers happy and boosts your sales. We'll cover essential techniques to significantly improve your site's loading times. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you can ensure a smoother shopping experience for everyone. Get ready to transform your store into a high-speed, high-converting machine, making every click count. Large images are often the biggest culprits for slow loading times. To combat this, compress your product images by at least 50% without losing quality. Consider converting them to modern formats such as WebP, which offers superior compression. Additionally, enable lazy loading so images only load when they enter the user's viewport, saving valuable milliseconds on initial page load. This simple step can dramatically improve your store's speed. Every app you install adds code to your store, potentially slowing it down. Regularly audit your installed apps and uninstall any that are not essential or actively used. Aim to keep your app count under 10 if possible. Furthermore, if you've customized your theme, ensure there's no leftover or redundant code. A clean code base means less for the browser to process, leading to quicker load times and a more responsive site for your customers. Your theme choice plays a crucial role in store speed. Opt for a lightweight, well-coded theme designed for performance, avoiding overly complex designs. Also, leverage browser caching. This allows returning visitors to load your site much faster as their browser stores static assets like images and CSS. Finally, make it a habit to regularly test your store's speed using tools like Google Page Speed Insights to identify and address any new bottlenecks promptly. A fast store is a successful store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.